material can repair itself when cracks appear, ensuring longevity and reducing the need for frequent maintenance. But what's in it for us? A lot, actually. Think about the convenience and peace of mind, knowing that the infrastructure we rely on daily is more reliable and resilient. First, buildings and roads will be way stronger and last much longer. This means fewer disruptions in our daily lives due to construction and repairs. That means less fixing and less money spent on repairs. Cha-ching! Imagine the savings for both governments and taxpayers, allowing funds to be allocated to other crucial areas. Second, it's good for the planet. By using self-healing concrete, we reduce the environmental impact of construction activities. Making concrete uses a lot of energy. Traditional concrete production is a significant source of carbon emissions. If it lasts longer, we make less of it, which means less pollution. Go green. By extending the lifespan of our concrete structures, we contribute to a more sustainable future. Section 5. The future is here, building smarter, not harder. Welcome to a new era of construction where innovation meets efficiency. We're not just building structures, we're creating smarter, more resilient environments. This self-healing concrete is a game changer, people. Imagine a material that can repair its own cracks, extending the lifespan of our buildings and infrastructure. This isn't just a dream, it's happening now. It's like the beginning of a sci-fi movie, but it's real life. Advanced robotics and AI are revolutionizing the way we approach construction, making it faster, safer, and more precise. This technology can change how we build everything. From skyscrapers to homes, the integration of smart technology ensures that our buildings are not only strong, but also intelligent. Imagine cities with buildings that practically take care of themselves. Sensors and automated systems monitor structural health, energy usage, and even environmental conditions, making maintenance more efficient. We're talking about roads that stay smooth and safe for way longer. With smart materials and construction techniques, our infrastructure can withstand the test of time and heavy usage. The future is here, and it's looking strong, durable, and way less cracked. Our advancements in construction technology are paving the way for a more sustainable and resilient world. Let's build smarter, not harder.